What's up, y'all? It's Dre, and this is episode 9 of my perfect wardrobe series. The weather here in Canada is finally starting to get warmer because spring is here. So today my plan is doing a full closet clean out so I can reset this closet and get it ready for the upcoming warmer seasons. I have a ton of pieces from the winter, fall, and of course last summer. So I really just want to clear out a bunch of stuff I'm not wearing, get it uploaded to Depop. Then I could finally focus on purchasing some new clothes for the spring and summer. Now, I have a lot of work ahead of me. I mean, I already have clothes right here, and the only reason they're on my bed is because I don't even have enough space currently to put them in my closet. So that means it's pretty bad. Obviously, I've gotten a few new pickups that I am going to show you later in this video. Definitely not that many pieces for this closet to be looking overflown like this. So the first step for today is going through basically this whole closet and figuring out what pieces I don't wear. Then I have a whole nother closet, which I call the closet of doom, because there are about 3 or 4 black garbage bags full of clothes that I have to go through. Once I go through all that, I can figure out what I want to sell, donate, and keep. Hopefully at that point, this closet is looking a lot more filtered through. Then I'll have more of an idea of what I actually need for this upcoming season. Let's get to it. So I'm in between this piece just because this is a piece that Shaq gave me, so I kind of don't want to get rid of it. But the same reason he gave it to me is kind of the same reason I want to give it or sell it or something. It's just a little bit too short. Like, he cropped it, but he cropped it a little bit too short. This shirt I'm wearing is already a cropped shirt, so like it's just very short. It's almost too short. I think I'm gonna have to get rid of it. Also, what I'm doing here is making a few different piles. I'm making one pile for stuff that I like, but it just doesn't fit right, so I'm probably gonna sew it and crop it up. As for another pile, it's everything that I'm gonna be selling on Depop, and the last pile is just stuff that I'm gonna bring and donate. Done with the tees, and it's like considerably shrunken down. In total 20 tees now compared to about 30, so I chopped that down quite a bit. Now I got to do the jackets, and this first jacket is actually one that I found in my closet of doom. I'm gonna show you guys why I call it that, but this is a piece that I forgot about and I haven't been able to find for like 2 years. I'm telling y'all, that closet, I'm sure it's gonna have some gems as well as just a bunch of stuff that I forgot about. If I'm being honest, out of my whole closet, I think I only found one hoodie, because I don't have many hoodies, so this is really the only piece that I'm probably gonna get rid of. This drawer almost can't even slide at all, so I gotta remove some pieces. Even though I love them, my pants, I'm keeping those. I do gotta do that so I can even get to the back of this closet. I gotta try these on, and I don't even know if these fit. Oh, they already don't feel like they're gonna fit for. Can I button them? I don't know. These are a little questionable. They are dress pants, but I don't know. Nah, I think we gonna donate these ones. Now, y'all, I just finished going through my closet. It took like an hour, I would say. It looks a lot, like, just super empty right now. There's a reason that it looks more empty than usual. There are some clothes that need to go back in the closet, which are right over here. You can see I need a lot more shirts for the summer. These are like my sweaters and long sleeves. And then pants. It really looks like I'm chilling on pants. I have every basic I could think of. Jewelry, glasses, socks and underwear. And then this drawer is just kind of like my fragrance and things that I don't know where to put right now. But I'm probably going to get a drawer organizer off of Amazon. These are the few pieces that I want to sew so that they fit my body better. And finally, which y'all probably care to see the most, are all of the clothes that I'm selling on Depop. It's a ton. It is a big pile. There are some shoes in there and a lot of other things. But before I even think about taking pictures of that stuff, I still have a bunch of clothes in the closet of doom that I have to go through that I'm honestly dreading. And before doing that as well, I just need to throw everything back in my closet so the space is like a little bit less cluttered, because I'm about to make it way more messy with this other closet. It's gonna be Can't even talk right now. I feel flustered just thinking about all the clothes I'm gonna have to go through. There's no point in just sitting here talking to y'all. I'm stalling. Let's just do it. It's finally time to go through this closet of doom. As you can see, there are clothes everywhere. This is stuff that I said I was gonna go through years ago, or for the past 2 years, either thrift or sell, but I'm lazy. It's just packed up. So it's time to get all of these garbage bags out and go through them one by one and figure out what we're gonna do with all this clothes. So that's closet of doom, because there's supposed to be a floor there. These bags are like 30 pounds each. Wow, look at that. So this is everything that was in that closet of doom. Half of these, probably like 75% of this is actually my clothing. The rest of it's probably my mom's and just other stuff from the house. My arms are tired, but you can see I have a whole lot of work ahead of me. Jesus, wow. We're just gonna try and knock this all out right now. I'm gonna separate it into the same type of piles, stuff that I wanna keep, which there's probably not gonna be much of that. Stuff that I wanna sell, and then just stuff that's gonna get donated. Let's get to it. Oh my God. Yo, these pants. Lord Jesus, these zipper pants. I used to rock these every day. Oh, these are so trash. I cannot believe I wore these. This is crazy as shit. This wash is so ugly. Acid wash used to be in, so like low-key I was stepping back in the day. Not today though. I finally just finished going through all of those bags. There's a lot of clothes on the bed. You can see they're pretty high rows. All of this stuff on this right side here is going to be donated. This left stuff is gonna be sold on Depop. Really needed to just clear out the closet and the cluster, because this is just taking up unnecessary space in the home right now. I'm just gonna bag all this stuff up so I can finish my full closet clean out, and then I can move on to the next thing, which is getting some pictures to get the clothes up on Depop. And then maybe if we have some time and I have some energy, we could think about sewing some new pieces and also showing you the new pickups that I got. Thank you. You too. Finally got rid of all those clothes. I didn't even count it for real. I think it's 7 bags of clothes. I got rid of all of it, so my bad. Now finally, about to head back home now and potentially get a little bit more done. Tomorrow, I got a little bit of sewing to do, and I want to show you guys the new pieces that I picked up. So we'll just keep y'all updated. What up, y'all? It's been about 2 days since I last picked up the camera. That's honestly because I've been doing a ton of cleaning. It's spring, so I did my full spring clean out of obviously the closet of doom, but also the rest of my house. This is what the current closet is looking like. You can see it's a lot more organized than what it was before, especially down here on the ground. We have a lot less pieces in here as well, and that's obviously because we're trying to gear up for the spring and summer. So if I come over here, we have our new and improved stock for the brand, but also this middle row here and up here are all the clothes that are going to be uploaded to Depop. Obviously I don't have everything that's here uploaded yet, which means I got my work ahead of me. I clearly got to take a lot of pictures of clothes so I can get them uploaded, and y'all can pick up some new pieces if you want, or just support the series. But I do got to leave the house because I got a few more errands to run for the crib. So when I come back, I'm gonna take those Depop pics. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be back in a little bit. It's been a super long day. I spent a bunch of time taking pictures, obviously. And I just got a bunch of them posted. So if y'all are trying to support the series or just get some new drip, make sure to check out the Depop. I will link it in the description below. Before I head to bed, I wanted to just work on a few little projects for the sewing. I'm gonna obviously throw everything on and show you the before. We got about 3 or 4 shirts that I want to crop up just so that they fit better and more like this tee that I'm wearing right now. So I am going to use this unreleased blank tee from my brand as the reference so that we can cut to the right size. After that, I do have these pair of green pants. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. They're women's pants. I thrifted them a few weeks ago and they just don't fit right around like the shin, basically knee down. It's a little bit too skinny. So I have a few different fabrics that I want to just try out and see. I'm going to show you the process, but I kind of just want to get into this, so let's just get into it.
I wanna rock at the show. I wanna rock out. I wanna rock at the show. I wanna rock out. I wanna rock at the show. I wanna rock out. I wanna rock at the show. I wanna rock out.
Let me tell y'all, these last few days have been mad exhausting, doing a ton of organizing and cleaning, but it is more than worth it. I'm telling y'all, there is no better feeling than having a clean room, a clean space, workspace, just area in general. But it is finally that time of the video where I can show y'all my new pickups. I don't have a ton, and most of these actually aren't even new pieces. They're just ones that I haven't had in the last few years because they just kind of got lost in the mix. But let's just go through them. Starting off, I have these Timbs here. Now, these aren't a new pickup. You might be able to tell there are a few scuffs on the toe boxes. This is because these were one of the things that I found in that closet of doom of mine. I honestly forgot that I even own these. So I really just try my best to restore them, clean them, bring them back to life. And if I'm being honest, I feel like these can finally be worn and brought back into my rotation. I'm pretty happy about this. Moving on, we got another piece that I found in the closet of doom. It's this Roots athletic jacket. And this is one that I think I thrifted like 2 or 3 years ago. I might have only wore about 2 or 3 times. It's pretty crazy, but I'm so glad I found this because not only do I love these colors, you guys probably know, I love my neutral tones, I love my browns, my tans, and just anything close to it. But it also has a great fit and is kind of perfect for this spring season. I'm for sure gonna get a few wears out of this before I let it go, and I'm definitely happy that I found this piece again. Moving on, we got this very calm flannel from H&M. This is another old piece, but this is one that I actually got from my brother. Unfortunately, this is a little bit too big for my body currently, but I do plan on running it through the sewing machine and just kind of getting it to be that perfect fit. And once again, another great spring piece. We're just gonna try and get any use we can out of this. Moving on to the last 2 pickups. Both of these were actually sent out to me over the last month or so. First is this insane varsity jacket from Menace. I'm just gonna show y'all the details right here. On the back, it has a bunch of dope script. The main attraction is this evil eye with these huge, I mean, I've never seen rhinestones this big ever. Each one here looks like a championship ring itself. It's pretty insane and just a very high quality, loud statement piece. I have already broke a few fits out in this on my Instagram, so if y'all don't follow me over there, then y'all should go check it out because I feel like they were pretty fly. This is the first pickup. Second pickup is also from Menace and my new everyday jacket, if I'm being honest. This jacket right here is very similar to the Carhartt Detroit jacket, but in my opinion, it's much better. I've made a TikTok about it, but it is about half the price. I have a size large here and it fits me like a glove, and it's honestly just the perfect piece in my closet because it doesn't have any very loud branding, so it really can kind of just go with everything. Not to mention it's super durable, so I know this one is gonna last me a very long time. Anyways, that is everything for the new pickups. Well, that's also it for this episode. So if y'all enjoyed, make sure to like this video and of course subscribe. If this is your first time watching this series, we have a whole other 8 episodes that are out right now. So if y'all wanna check that out, click that playlist here. I will be back with another episode hopefully next week, so don't forget to subscribe if y'all wanna see that. Anyways, I hope y'all have a great day and peace.